Lance Bruce, please come forward. Please introduce yourself, Lance.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and members of the Commission. I'm Lance Bruce, Vice President, Wilmington Branch, NAACP, also a member of LAPA. In these economically hard times, we see a tremendous amount of disparities in our community, and we realize that we have a lot of work to do in our community as well as far as addressing these disparities. Channel 28 over the years has been one of the vehicles, Mr. Chair, that we've used to help us address important issues that impact on our community in a broad range of ways. It helps us address some of the critical issues in our community, such as economic development, education, social events, and spiritual enlightenment for many of our seniors who are shut in and don't have an opportunity to get out to church services. We found that it is extremely important for us to continue to support getting live lease access, and that's why we're appealing to the members of the Commission to join with us to help us keep and maintain live lease access TV, especially Channel 28. Today, Channel 28 is one of the only vehicles that we have to help us maintain information going out and coming into our community to address some of the more critical issues in our community, as I mentioned earlier. Dr. Martin Luther King once said that it's not where we stand in points of convenience or points of consensus, but it's where we stand in points of challenge and points of controversy that help shape and mold our characters and help us develop as human beings. So we're appealing to you on the Commission to join with us and help us maintain live lease access television in the city of Wilmington. Thank you, Mr. Commissioner.
Thank you, Mr. Bruce. We appreciate you being here.